Obviously, tomorrow is a big, big day. It is game day because NVIDIA will be announcing its Q4 fiscal 25 earnings, probably give guidance for Q1, and maybe even give guidance for the entire next fiscal year. Now, you should know that NVIDIA has a January 31 fiscal year. So here we are actually in the first quarter of fiscal 26, since we're into February 2025. I don't expect a lot of trouble, at least with what Wall Street is expecting on the top and bottom line. However, I must say, I'm a little bit not long-term worried, but short-term worried about any manufacturing glitch with the Blackwell chip ramp. And what I would do is this. The options markets are telling us that when NVIDIA reports tomorrow night, their stock will immediately go up 10% or down 10%. And if there is at least talk of a manufacturing issue, and if it appears to be temporary, which I am 100% sure that it will be, and that stock goes down 10% or even more, this is your buying opportunity in NVIDIA. Because if it's limited to a short-term supply problem, that's cool, that's temporary. The only thing I worry about is a slowdown on the demand side. And I don't think we've had any evidence of that because despite the DeepSeek AI threat from China that rattled some cages a few weeks ago, all of the key US hyperscalers have confirmed their capital expenditures on AI data centers for the year. Actually, as a group, they raised them significantly from 24 to 25. As far as their forecasts, the only one that seems a little bit squirrely, and I talked about this company a couple weeks ago when they announced their earnings, is I'm getting an uncomfortable feeling with Microsoft. You know, they're now starting to talk to investors in cryptic code. What is going on? Their latest that dovetails with NVIDIA is yes, they will confirm that they will spend $80 billion for their fiscal year ended June 30th of 2025. However, they're now saying that the pieces of the puzzle, even including AI gear, within that broader mix, those pieces have shifted around a little bit. I don't know what they're saying. I've been covering Microsoft since they went public in the mid-'80s. This is some double talk, and as I've said, some cryptic messaging. So I'm a little bit queasy about Microsoft. I've actually sold it in some of my tech portfolios, or at least reduced my position.